frozen fruits and ice for that super creamy texture that makes a smoothie taste extra yummy. In this video, we are ranking our favorite picks as the best blenders for smoothies, and be sure to check the video description for direct links to all products mentioned. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos reviewing to the latest products. Okay, let's start with number 5, Zwilling Enfinigy Personal Blender. The Zwilling has an aesthetically pleasing design that looks more expensive than it really is. That black base is sleek and attractive enough to keep on your counter when not in use. And the intuitive dial allows you to precisely control the settings. We were impressed with the to-go lid too. While it produced delicious tasting smoothies, we found it unsuitable for making homemade salsa. However, if you aren't planning on using it for anything other than smoothies and frozen drinks, you'll likely find this personal blender ideal for all your needs. Number 4, BlendJet 2. The BlendJet 2 is completely cordless, so it's the most portable personal blender on this list. You can take it to work, the gym, or even camping without worrying about finding an outlet because it charges via USB-C and it operates quietly so you won't disturb people around you. You can plug it into your laptop and it will charge entirely in about an hour and a half. The portable blender is small enough to fit in your bag, weighing only 1 pound. Numerous hues and designs, such as crisp white and black marble, are available for the BlendJet. Without the need for any additional accessories or lids, you may drink straight from the cup. However, you might have to create smaller smoothies because it only holds 16 ounces. Even after cutting our test recipes in half, there were still a lot of bits in the salsa smoothies, but we were still able to combine frozen bananas and ice. There's only one button that blends in 22 intervals, and it'll definitely take at least 5 cycles for a smoothie, but at least it's really easy to clean. Just to add soap and water directly to the blender and turn it on. It won't replace your at-home blender, but it works as a portable option in a pinch. Number 3, Cuisinart Portable Blending. This Cuisinart blender features 3 settings, including low, high, and pulse. So it's an excellent option for those looking for a versatile model that's not only suitable for smoothies and protein shakes, but also for hummus and purees. By a 350-watt motor, it doesn't have as much power as some of our other top models, but we found it still blended ice and frozen fruit to perfection. It was successful at incorporating peanut butter, but had trouble grinding dates. The blender comes with 4 travel cups, which is convenient for couples and families, so multiple people can enjoy a smoothie every day. We were impressed with the lid design, as there was 0 leakage after turning the cup upside down, and only a little bit of spillage went on its side for 5 minutes. One thing to keep in mind is that the base looks and feels slightly cheap, despite its neutral black and silver design. We found the blade slightly intimidating to wash with a sponge, but we were happy that our hands fit inside the cup just fine for cleaning. The cups are dishwasher safe, but the blade isn't. Number 2, Ninja Blender. This specific model is our best value pick because of its moderate price, user-friendly design, and outstanding results. We made a blueberry kale smoothie and a frozen banana protein shake, and both of them had a smooth consistency that was easy to sip through straws. 2 16-ounce cups with lids for single servings are included with the blender. They slide neatly into most cup holders and are portable. In order to produce a smooth consistency during our experiments, we had to add half of the components for the blueberry kale smoothie, blend it for around 30 seconds, add the other ingredients, and then mix it for an additional 60 seconds. We think this isn't a deal breaker because the smoothie recipe called for 2 cups of kale, and you can easily tweak the ingredient proportions or combine them in increments. The blender has a 700-watt motor, is small enough to store in small kitchens, and isn't as loud as other models we tested, meaning you can use it in an apartment complex without bothering your neighbors. Overall, it's the perfect choice for those looking for something that can make well-blended, single-serving smoothies for a reasonable price. Number 1, NutriBullet Pro 900 Blender. After earning perfect scores across all categories, we named the NutriBullet Pro 900 our overall favorite personal blender. It packs a lot of power into a small device, featuring a 900-watt motor, so it has no problem crushing ice and frozen fruit. When evaluating the consistency of a blueberry kale smoothie with ice, we were impressed that there was virtually no berry skin or kale pieces after taking several sips through a straw. This blender comes with 2 32-ounce cups, big enough for hearty servings, but still easy to hold. If you have small hands, fear not, you can use the included lip rings with handles on your cup for fuss-free sipping. For on-the-go smoothies, 2 flip-top lids allow you to protect and enjoy your beverage while traveling. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe, and the blade requires hand washing, so just be mindful of the sharp edges. While we found the travel lids easy to drink from, there was a very small amount of leakage after we intentionally knocked a full smoothie cup off the counter. That said, It's probably best to carry it upright instead of tossing it in a backpack or gym bag. Let me know in the comments which smoothie blender is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.